Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Me More, and I am starting a series of video where we'll learn and practice together the C++ and we'll see how we can use various examples and understand the concept of C++. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and also share the videos with your friends, your colleagues so that we can help each other. Okay, and let's start with a new file here, and in today's video I'll start with the pointers, and I hope you already have a little bit knowledge in C language or the C++. So um, pointers are a very important topic, and today I'll start with the pointers. So this will be our first exercise. Okay, so I'll name it pointers exercise 1.cpp, and we will start with this header using namespace std int main, then I'll just write here return 0. Now in this example we'll take one integer. It's a simple example, simple way to use the pointer, and we will also go through some more examples where we'll see different ways of using a pointer. For example, we'll be using pointer to pointer example, and also we'll be um, using the same pointer to point to a new variable. And also we will be seeing that how we can use the pointer to change the value of any variable. So for the first example, we'll see a simple use case of um, pointer. I'll write here simple use case of pointer. So first we'll take any integer like a, and I'll store some value. Then we'll take another pointer variable and we will just store the address of a in this pointer, and let's see what does it print. Okay, we'll see the output. So I'll print this output using cout, and let's write a statement. The value of a is a, and then I'll end the line with endl, and I will copy 4 times. Now the value of a using pointer b is, so to print the pointer b we'll use this asterisk b, and also to print the address we know we use ampersand, but to print the address using pointer, I'll write here we'll just simply print the b, because b stores the value of b stores the address of a as a value. So now let's run this and see the output. Okay, so now we have the output here. The value of a is 3, which is correct, and we have simply used a to print the value of a, and the value of a using the pointer b is also 3, which is correct, and we have used asterisk b, and we can see the address what is the address of a using ampersand a, and you can see the address is same when we use the pointer. Okay, so this is the simple example of pointers, and we can see and we can define the pointer as the variable that stores the address of another variable. Okay, so this is for the video, and I will show you more examples, more methods to use the pointer in the next video. So see you in the next video.